Hi guys, so I made this other slime. It's very close to the last one I made, but this one looks a lot more stickier and gooier to be a slime. But I added something that is a bit like the stuff you add for real slime, and now it's really acting like slime because I added some flour and a teeny bag of salt. And this has a lot of stuff from my mom's room, but I hope that she's fine with it. But here's my slime. It's really hard to mix, but I'm mixing it right now to see what it will look like later. So bye. This is 60 seconds long. I'm waiting, but whatever. This slime is really hard to mix. Bye guys. Hope you enjoy.